Welcome to our channel, where we guide you through various legal processes in India. Today, we'll focus on the importance of obtaining a certified copy of an FIR, or First Information Report, in India. An FIR acts as the first step in any criminal proceeding, marking the initiation of an investigation by the police. Now you might ask, why is it so important to get a certified copy of this FIR? Well, it's because this document serves as a key piece of evidence in any criminal case. It records the initial facts and circumstances of the crime as stated by the complainant, forming the foundation of the legal narrative. Moreover, having a certified copy of an FIR can help protect your rights. It's an official acknowledgement that your complaint has been registered, and it can be used to ensure that the investigation is proceeding as it should. So it is clear that having a certified copy of an FIR is not just a piece of paper, but a critical document in the legal process. Now, how can you get one? Let's delve into the steps. Getting a certified copy of an FIR in India involves a few steps. We will guide you through it. The first step in obtaining a certified copy of an FIR is to file the FIR itself. This is done at your local police station where you report the incident. It's essential to provide as much detail as possible about the incident, including the date, time, location, and description of the event. Once the FIR is lodged, you will be given an FIR number. Make sure to keep this number safe, as it will be required in the subsequent steps. Now, with your FIR number and the details of the incident, you're ready to move on to the next step. This involves a trip to the court. The court in question is typically the magistrate court that has jurisdiction over the area where the incident occurred. At the court, you will need to file an application for a certified copy of the FIR. This application needs to be addressed to the registrar of the court and should include your name, the FIR number, and details of the incident. Upon submitting your application, you will be required to pay a nominal fee. This fee varies from state to state, but it is generally a small amount. Once the fee is paid, your application is processed. This process can take some time, so be ready for a bit of a wait. Finally, once your application is processed, you can pick up your certified copy of the FIR from the court. But before you leave the court premises, it's crucial to check the details on the copy. Make sure everything is accurate, including the FIR number, your name, and the details of the incident. If there are any discrepancies, it's important to have them corrected right away. And there you have it. With these steps, you can obtain a certified copy of an FIR in India. Remember, this document is crucial in defending your rights and seeking justice in any criminal case. Let's quickly recap the key steps involved in obtaining a certified copy of an FIR in India. First, you'll need to file an FIR with your local police station. Next, you'll apply for a certified copy at the respective court. Following this, you'll be required to pay the necessary fee. Then, you'll wait for the processing to be completed. Finally, you'll pick up your certified copy. And that's it. We hope this guide helps you navigate through the process. Stay informed and stay safe. Until next time, this is your guide to the legal processes in India.